Hey guys, Oscar here from Lake Norman Drone Rental. So today is my third day flying the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It is an amazing drone. It is quiet. The camera is amazing. I do not have any ND filters currently. I did order some ND filters. And I would like to talk to you about the accessories. So number one, these are the must-have accessories. The first accessory that I need to talk about is the actual screen protector that goes on the remote control. So the screen protector is essential. Why do I say that? Because the remote control is just like a cell phone. It's gonna be easy to scratch. I'm sure you're gonna drop it eventually, and the best thing is to protect the remote control, which is an amazing control, and it has the screen, so it's just like another cell phone. You have to protect the screen, so that is the number one accessory. Number two, the actual propeller guard. This is another must-have accessory. Why? Because when you are putting this drone in the bag, the propellers are actually longer than the Mini 2, and you don't want the propellers to be bending or getting damaged and so on. So you want the propeller guard. The DJI Mini 1 had an issue with the propellers, and it was because the propellers were being bent. So the case that was included at the time, it was actually bending the propellers. So it was causing an error, it was causing a lot of issues. So this is another amazing accessory, and I will put the link below so you guys can check it out for yourself. They're very inexpensive. I think each of the accessories is going to be, or it is about less than $10. Okay. Third must-have accessory. You need ND filters if you're going to do the 180 rule, or if you're going to, for example, if you're going to be recording at 24 frames per second, 4K, you want your shutter speed to be at about 1/50. I put my ISO at 100, and that's going to give you that blurry motion, or that motion blur that we see with our natural eyes. Currently, I want to use those settings, but I can't because the picture is just ugly and horrible and blown out. So you're going to need the ND filters. I'm going to keep flying the drone, and once I keep using the drone, I'm sure I'm going to be needing other or looking for other accessories. Now, thinking about accessories, eventually, whenever I get the case for the drone, which I don't have the case right now, I'm likely gonna take the sticks off. I'm gonna take them off, and I'm sure the sticks are going to be lost, likely. So if you get the chance to get the sticks or find the remote sticks, get yourself a pair, because it is not included on my current package. So I just have the basic package, no Fly More combo so far. It's not here yet. I did order it, but it's not here. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and fly the drone, and it is almost sunset. It is, let's say, 7:37, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get some good footage. Let's see if we can get some amazing footage of the sunset. And I'm sure a lot of boats are coming in right now, so maybe we can get a picture or some footage of them. If you have any questions, concerns, or any suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Please like, subscribe. It means a lot to me. This is my hobby. I love doing this, and I want to help you guys out. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys.